let's start with the basics. Can you help me understand what are some of the signs and symptoms people might experience if they've got an issue with their thyroid?
Yeah. So since the thyroid is the master gland, it runs your entire body. And like you said, I don't know why it doesn't get as much attention and love and respect, even from the medical community, because it is the master gland, period. So if literally, if we take your thyroid out and we don't replace it with hormones, you die. It controls whether you live or die. So the symptoms that start occurring usually when there is a thyroid problem, be it autoimmune or other, the big ones are weight gain, inability to lose weight, no matter what you do. Literally, it doesn't matter if you have a perfect diet, perfect exercise regimen, no matter what you do, your ability to lose weight goes in the tank. Extreme fatigue, hair loss, constipation, frozen shoulder, joint pain. You have to think everything is low and slow. All of your functions have slowed down. That really is the thyroid controlling every single metabolic process in your body, bringing it to a halt, bringing it to a screeching halt. And those symptoms are usually what prompt people to go to their doctor and say, hey, this is what's going on. What's wrong with me?
Yeah. Okay. So then what are some of the signs and symptoms if your hormones just might be out of balance, being affected by your thyroid?
Right. So they overlap. We see a lot of overlap with hormone dysregulation and low thyroid function. But oftentimes we'll see low libido. We'll see if the thyroid is off in women, and I don't care what your age is, you could be in your 20s, and I will look at your hormones and they will be that of a postmenopausal woman. You'll have no progesterone. We need progesterone to sleep, to be happy, to not hold water like a camel, to have babies, to be fertile. Estrogen can be either high or low. So a lot of women will go into this early menopause because of their thyroid, or they'll be in the state of estrogen dominance, which also puts on more weight. So now you start stacking the issues, right? You have no thyroid function. Now you have estrogen dominance. Oh yeah, you are a weight gaining machine. And then low testosterone. I see so much low testosterone in women. And that is vital for motivation and drive and the ability to burn fat and build muscle and have that gumption to do things and have a sex drive. So when the thyroid is off and the hormones are off, it's like double whammy to everything. Every symptom gets basically compounded and gets worse.